Hi guys, welcome to Mala's Verse. Welcome if you're new here, welcome if you have been here before. Thank you so much for joining me in today's reading. And today's reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, we are going to look into what's clearing up for you. So before we get into the reading, take a few deep breaths and breathe out through your mouth. All right, Aquarius. So your message, or rather, what energy clearing up for you is the King of Wands. Your bottom deck energy is Ten of Cups, Ten of Wands, and the Five of Swords. So this is reflecting the past energy, or where this story or this energy began and what's clearing up here. With the Five of Swords and Ten of Wands here, I do perceive that there this, all of this energy is around career, and with Five of Swords, I do perceive that someone took one over you, or essentially took an advantage of your situation. Maybe they even stole your ideas. Something about contracts is also coming through, wherein they wanted to up level themselves or go up the ladder quickly and fast, in a fast manner, essentially in a hasty manner, and so they didn't care for you, your feelings and stuff like that. So they took one over you, and with Ten of Wands, you were left with a lot of responsibilities because of this, which created a lot of exhaustion for sure, immense exhaustion. And Ten of Cups is reminding me here that you did have there's something, it's a mixed energy here, even though Ten of Cups is all about emotional fulfillment. This is probably what you were seeking, and it was somehow showing up in one way, shape, or form, but you were still focused on your career. And what went wrong here? More so, the question that's coming through in my ear, actually, it's very strongly coming through, is how could they do this? And you were very involved in that. So maybe your career was affecting your home life as well. And even before the Ten of Cups, we have the Emperor card here, which tells me two things. Firstly, this could be a senior at work where things went awry, or this could just be the energy where an institutional energy, or someone who was more authoritative, or there was more, essentially the energy of hierarchy is coming through, and use of power in a negative way, which really made you wounded, extremely exhausted. And it's like, when will this fight end, when will this battle end? That's the energy I'm receiving. And with the Emperor card, the other meaning that was coming through was, you were certainly trying your best to be an authoritative figure, or stand up for yourself, rather. That's the energy that's coming through. Not to abuse your power, but more so to stand in your power and to defend yourself, and to show yourself as an absolute expert in what you were doing. But clearly it was all haywire here after this. I'm getting the word mayhem ensued. I wonder if it's correct. Let me just check the meaning of mayhem. Yeah. um a state of rowdy disorder. So I do perceive that's something that must have happened in your life, resulting as a result of this conflict, or whatever here happened, especially in terms of taking advantage of your situation, or taking advantage of when you were not in a position to defend yourself in some way, shape, or form. And after the Nine of Wands, we do have the Moon card and Queen of Pentacles. So with some of you, I honestly do perceive that you either, not either, most of you, I do perceive that you went to a counselor and you had to sort out your feelings. These sessions, or whoever you went it to, this could very well be your own, someone who is like a mother, or who is your mother. So that mother energy, or someone who is keen on listening to you and genuinely providing valuable practical advice to you, you were venting to them. You were doing probably practical exercises as well, a lot of exercises around your mental health, which most likely must have revealed your self-sabotaging behaviors. So there's been a progress from then on, because after the moon, after the Queen of Pentacles, we do have Eight of Swords, and then we are moving to Hierophant. So there's a lot of wisdom that started coming through, and you probably saw or had a mentor who guided you through this chaotic environment, this chaotic energy. So the energy that's clearing up for you, Aquarius, is actually standing in your power and being this leader. And I would say this is more so, definitely because it's King of Wands, it's leading from the heart, being very passionate about what you're leading, what you are leading, or what subject you are leading in. Because in the recent energies we have Six of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. And interestingly enough, when I saw the clarification for King of Wands and the Six of Pentacles, both of them showed up to be the Knight of Cups, which tells me that what's balancing out, or what has balanced out to a great extent, is how you approach others, or what do you offer to others, because that's probably the toughest lesson you learned here in the past, Aquarius. So you now, essentially you are just breadcrumbing your energy very mindfully, your energy, your resources, your time. And it's not out of spite, it's actually after learning a big lesson, probably a karmic or a soul lesson here. And with the Page of Cups, you are still willing to, and you are in this mindset where you want to offer to the world, where you want to share your love, your creativity, probably even innocent fun ideas, that you've had since you were a child, with the world. And what's clearing up for you is the King of Wands, which tells me that this energy is showing up for you, wherein you are stepping up into the true leader that you are, who leads by heart, who is, you know who has a happy-go-lucky energy, but also make sure that everything is taken care of, everyone is taken care of, the targets are achieved. That is the energy I'm receiving with the King of Wands here. And I was about to say King of Swords, so that does tell me that you're still, no, not still, along with the King of Wands, you're definitely getting clear about your mindset. And not just mindset, more so about who you allow into your energy field, what kind of thought forms you allow into your energy field. So, Aquarius, that's all that I have for you. Thank you so much for joining. I hope that this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you again for joining, and I hope to see you in future readings. Bye bye.